Hello everyone, welcome to a Whispers of Wisdom. In today's story, we'll explore an important lesson about the power of choices and how they shape our destiny. Stay with us until the very end, it might just change your perspective on life. In a bustling city lived a bright and talented young woman named Aisha. She had dreams of becoming an artist, but life had other plans. Aisha struggled to make choices. Every time she faced a decision, she hesitated, fearing she'd make the wrong one. Aisha spent hours debating her options but never took action. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months. Her hesitation cost her opportunities, friendships, and her own happiness. One day Aisha sat alone in the park feeling lost. She thought, "Why is my life so stagnant? Why can't I move forward?" As she pondered, an elderly man with a kind face sat beside her. The man said, "You seem troubled. Let me share a story with you." Intrigued, Aisha nodded, and the man began. "There once was a traveler who came across a fork in the road. One path was smooth and well lit, while the other was rugged and dark. Unsure, he sat at the crossroads for days, afraid to choose. As time passed, both paths became overgrown, and the traveler could no longer see where either led. The man looked at Aisha and said, "The traveler's mistake wasn't in choosing the wrong path, it was in not choosing at all. Life is about decisions. Each choice you make shapes the person you become." The man gave Aisha the stone and said, "This is your reminder. Every choice, no matter how small, adds a piece to the mosaic of your life. Don't fear mistakes, they're just stepping stones to growth." Aisha took the man's words to heart. She stopped overthinking and started making choices. Some led to success, others to lessons, but she kept moving forward. Slowly, her life transformed. Her art gained recognition, and she found joy in the journey. Remember, life isn't about avoiding mistakes. It's about making choices, learning, and growing. What choices will you make today? If this story inspired you, share it with someone who needs motivation. Subscribe to a Whispers of Wisdom for more life-changing lessons.